Welcome back. It's the Van Rap Radio. And as the end of the day, concern anyone and one who you're still having some great time. You're still enjoying whatever you are doing. But hey, guys, it's been a while, I kind of disappeared a little bit. We were working on those other episodes. We had to release the performances and all that has been happening from that show that we did, which was the Van Rap Night. My morning, and then Afro Buru. Big shout out to OG Smake from YFM and Rashid K from Metro FM, for hooking up with the Van Rap show. It was a great show, and everybody did show up. Like it was great, guys. It was great. But yeah, man, enough about that. I don't know, man. I don't know whether we should believe or trust or what, but if you remember, there was a time that Makazi posted, there was a video that she was talking about to the boyfriend when she's live, he's very jealous and all that. Like, and then when she was live that time, there was calls that were coming through, and she was complaining that this boyfriend this and that and that and that. So everybody knew that the boyfriend in the Rams at the time, I don't know the boyfriend now, but yeah, man, everybody knows that the boyfriend was Rams. That was Rams with Nero Mondo. So now there was this post that he posted, which was deleted. But did you guys know that I'm single, and I've been single for some time now? My inbox isn't yet full. Taking CVs right now. Keep the messenger screen and reply. I will do the screening and reply. Okay, the question is, how do you do the screening? Let's just start there. Let's start there. How do you do the screening? This is not an interview. Like, if you want someone, you want someone. You go ahead, and if you want to date them, you date them. But you can't say I'm going to do the screening. People can pretend to be something that they're not. Come on. Rams. Someone is a team. Yeah, man. So, during that time when we posted that, that other account, Makadzimu Imbi, Uriyoshoma, which is, I don't think this is the fake account or what, but yeah, man. When I link up the story from what she posts or what she said on that videos and other videos about the boyfriend, and then she comes and say, your problem comes when you want me to choose between my career and you. Okay. So if she's saying that, that means that dude wanted her to stop doing music and focus on him. Nada. That won't work. I don't think. I think what you're supposed to do is let it be the way it is. If whatever is happening, let it happen. This is what we want. This is how we want to do it. Like, just be the way they want it to work, but not try and that's some crazy, man. You can't. You want to drive and staging. You wanted her now to stop. Come on. Would you stop what you're doing and do as she wishes? I'm just asking. You know what I mean? Yeah, so there was that drama. The post was deleted, but people in screenshots, it's crazy. And yeah, man, when she went on and said, guess what? It's impossible to choose marriage than my career. So I think this guy did propose. He proposed, he wanted her stopping. Just come on, man. You can still marry her and she can still continue to do what does like, what she really likes. Come on. That's not how it's up a bit. But I guess it seems like he was too jealous, man. He couldn't stand the fact that wherever she goes, fans will be grabbing left and right and all that. Which led to whatever. But you never know. Those people, they can play us, man. You know these people. But I don't know if this is just another joke, but there was another video where she was with Master KG, and this thing, there's too much drama. But it doesn't know if you value my too. Then she goes on to say, my career comes first. Go and control your stupid, obsessed exes. Okay, that one went deep. I don't think she was supposed to write something like that. Like, that's like completely disrespect, man. That's like flipping disrespect. As someone that is a figure to a public figure, I don't think she was supposed to man. I don't know, but yeah, man. She says you can go and control. So the issue that I'm picking up here seems like, the dude is being a control freak and trying to control everything she does, which is wrong, But Naisha was not supposed to write in that way. So I don't know, man. And then she says, I'm not yet stranded for love. Not yet stranded for love. So she's not looking for love. She's looking for fun. I guess that's what she's saying. What do you think, guys? Like, she ain't looking for man. She ain't running around looking for love. So that's what really happened, which means on our side, we'll take it like it's over, it's done deal. One Makazi, separate ways. But you never know. These people and their stories, man. Hey, sometimes you never know. But yeah, man, I'm sorry guys for taking time. This I could post this video, any updates or any news, my apology. But yeah, man, I'm back again. Right now we're gonna be giving you more and more updates. You can also subscribe in one of the channels, which is Vanguard Radio, or you go to Limpopo Online TV. We're also gonna be dropping some videos there. Yeah, man, a lot of things gonna start happening again. Like I said, I'm apologizing, guys. Update, but I'm back now, and it's about to get late. And this is the Van Rap Radio Higher Table Podcast, entertainment side of things. When I do come to I'm out of here.
Let's get a little drawing going, Yeah.